அதுபோல உலகம் கடவுளை அடிப்படையாக கொண்டிருக்கிறது. நன்றி. Good morning to all. Red light, next you say. I say stop, stop, right away. Yellow light, what do you say? I say wait, right away. Green light, what do you say? I say go, right away. Thank you. காலை வணக்கம். மாம்பழம் நமது தேசிய பழமாகும். மாம்பழம் மஞ்சள் நிறத்தில் காணப்படும். மாம்பழம் இனிப்பாக தித்திக்கும். வைட்டமின் ஏ மற்றும் வைட்டமின் சி சத்து நிறைந்தது. மாம்பழம் முட்கள்களும் முதன்மையானது. அதனால் மாம்பழம் பழங்கள் அரசு என்று அழைக்கப்படுகிறது. நன்றி. Which is our country? India. Which is our state? Tamil Nadu. Which is our district? Madurai. Which is our national flag? Lotus. Which is our national animal? Tiger. Thank you. Good morning to all. Story topic is the cat seller and the monkeys. Once the cat seller was crossing the forest. Being tired, he sat under the tree to rest. The bird saw the cat was lying near him. He soon fell asleep. After some time, he woke up. He was shocked to see that all the cats were missing. He looked for his cats. He saw that some monkeys sitting on the tree were wearing his cats. He got worried. After some time, he realized that the monkeys were copying him. So he made a plan to trick them. He took off the cats and threw it on the ground. All the monkeys quickly took off the cats and threw it on the ground. The cat seller collected all the cats and went away. The moral of the story: apply common sense to get rid of problems. Thank you. அனைவருக்கும் காலை வணக்கம். ஆத்தி சூடி அறம் செய்ய விரும்பு. ஆழ்வது சினம், இயவது கரவே, ஈவது விளக்கே, உடையது விளம்பை, ஊக்கவது கையுடை, எண்ணத்தி இயலே, ஏற்பதி இகசி, ஐயமிட்டு கூர், ஒப்புரவு ஒருது, ஓர்வரு ஒருயின், அவ்வியம் பேசி, அக்கரம் சுருக்கே. Thank you. Good morning to all. The animals family: rooster, hen, chick, dog, bitch, puppy, bull, cow, calf, duck, drum, duckling, lion, lioness. Thank you. Good morning to all. Abbreviation: IAS, Indian Administrative Service. IPS, Indian Police Service. CM, Chief Minister. MP, Member of Parliament. Thank you. Good morning to all. Our Father founder says, Jesus loved children. Let us love them too. Auntie